Okay. Next, we'll go discuss about the transmission media, the types of transmission media also. So, in the data communication technology terminology, a transmission medium is a physical path between the transmitter and the receiver. That is, it is a channel through which data is sent from one place to another. Transmission media is broadly classified into guided media as well as unguided media. What is meant by guided media? It is also referred to as wired or bounded transmission. Guided media is also called as wired or bounded transmission media. Signals being transmitted or directed and confined in a narrow pathway by using the physical links. So, what are its features? The features are nothing but high speed, secure, used for shorter distance. There are three major types of guided media. One is twisted pair cable, the other one is UTP, unshielded twisted pair. The, what is meant by twisted pair cable? It consists of two separately insulated conductor wires wound about each other. Generally, several such pairs are bundled together in a protective shield. They are most widely used transmission media. The next one is UTP. UTP consists of two insulated copper wires twisted around one another. This type of cable has the ability to block, interfere, and does not depend on the physical shield for this purpose. What are the advantages of unsealed twisted pair? The advantage is least expensive, easy to install, high speed capacity, lower capacity and performance in comparison to the STP. Shorter distance transmission due to attenuation. The next comes the sealed twisted pair. This type of cable consists of a special jacket, a copper thread covering, or a foil seal to block external interference. It is used in fast data rate Ethernet and in voice and data channels of telephone lines. So what are the advantages of sealed twisted pair? Better performance at a higher data rate comparison to the UTP, that is unshielded. It eliminates the crosstalk, comparatively faster, comparatively difficult to install and manufacture. Next comes coaxial cable. It has an outer plastic covering containing an insulation layer made of PVC and two parallel conductors, each having a separate insulated protection cover. The coaxial cable transmits information in two modes. Two modes. One is the baseband mode and broadband mode. Cable TVs and analog television networks widely uses coaxial cable. What are the advantages of coaxial cable? High bandwidth, better noise immunity, easy to install and expand, inexpensive. What is the disadvantage of this? The single cable um, failure can disturb the entire network. The next comes the optical fiber cable. It uses the concept of reflection of light through a core made up of glass or plastic. The core is surrounded by a less dense glass or plastic covering called a cladding. It is used for the transmission of large volumes of data. The cable can be unidirectional or bidirectional. So the WDM, that is nothing but the wavelength division multiplexer, supports two modes. One is unidirectional and bidirectional mode. What are the advantages of fiber optic? It increase the capacity and bandwidth, lightweight, less signal attenuation, immunity to electromagnetic interference, resistance to corrosive materials. But the disadvantages, this is difficult to install, high cost, etc.